You're not paying me anything, so unless you want to pay me...
Do you want to die?
No, not really. Right, calm down. Where are you going driving? Blimey, what do they know? There's some sheep going mental out here. I'm just wondering if they know something.
Why are you laughing at me? Why are you laughing?
Press the gas pedal.
It's not on. Don't even look at me, you're irritating me already.
That's the sheep that were kicking off.
Probably irritating.
What?
You're probably irritating.
They're probably telling you to turn the engine on. Yes, a bit wide. Huh? Hello, bikers. Must be lambing season, that's why they're all going mental out there. Oh yeah, there's a ton of lambs out there to answer that question. Just pull up over here past those daffodils if you want to let them get past. Huh? Camera rolling about, not annoying. I just stay on this road when I'm going to that estate. His block, so he can't come round. He's on his phone, that's handy. You know what that meant? You know what that means? Huh? The one up on the left. That sign up there. Yes. 1 point. Could have done with stopping a bit better there, to be honest. You can huff all you like, but you didn't come to a complete stop, which you should. Especially when you're learning to drive. You need to be able to look and see, make sure nothing's coming. Huh? I know, but you have to get in good habits for a test, don't you? So.
You better find an instructor.
What? What's wrong with my instruction? I have a wealth of knowledge.
You're just old-fashioned.
At least I can turn the key on. I can go a little bit faster, but, but please don't knock these people off their bikes. They're old people, they've lasted this long. Yeah, go past, seriously.
Maybe there's a bend.
No, that's right, you can see enough around that bend to be able to see there's nothing coming. Is your visor down? I'll put mine down too. Okay. mentalist filming, going round. You're not far wrong, yeah, that's correct. Go a little bit faster. What's the speed?
My speed?
Yeah.
25.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, you assume they're going to stop, but so they might be like you not looking to the right. Right, round that corner is going to be a roundabout, so just go left here. So you know where you are now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll go back to my earlier question. Do you need me to tell you stuff or?
No.
Right, it's a bit wide.
Call me fat.
Ah.
You called me fat.
So you're going to go left here, yeah?
Yeah.
Just so I know. Yay, that's better. Nice trainers. Wish you had the same size feet as me.
I just want everything I have.
Well, I don't want everything you have, to be fair. There's certain things I don't think I need, but your trainers, seeing as you've got loads of money now, I wouldn't mind them. Oh. That's right. Turn left here. I have no idea where this is going, to be fair.
Really helpful.
You just about to.
can't see anything.
Can you go? Is it blinding you? That's where you need some sunglasses in it as well. Yeah, I have no idea where this is going. Huh?
Really helpful.
What speed are you doing? I think you can go a bit faster.
Can't do that.
Huh?
It needs to be cleaned. Can't see anything. I actually can't see. What have you done?
What? I've turned the sun on. Turn right here. Again.
You're causing your client stress. This is going to be a tether.
Can you reverse? So stop.
Yeah, I know. Thank you very much.
Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Can you reverse? You just need to reverse as much as you need to be able to turn the other way again, obviously. Bit more. Yeah, that should be enough. You just need to turn it hard lock the other way. Get a bit of reversing in, innit, Jess?
I didn't want to.
Huh?
I didn't want to.
What, you just want to drive around in circles?
I don't want to come to a dead end.
It's just practice, isn't it? Are you not going to take any random side roads then?
Online?
What?
Online. Not under your instruction,
It's nice to have a sunny day though, isn't it? Uh-oh. He decided, or she decided, she didn't want to sit behind. I thought you were going at okay speed then, Jess. Dukes of Hazzard style. Oh my. What?
So dramatic.
Whoa. Now, see, that is the kind of moron you have to watch out for. But the good news is, had that person hit the side of us for going too fast, I filmed it.
Yeah, that's good news, huh?
Yeah, the good news part 2 is it would have been your side, not my side, so that'd have been alright.
Brilliant.
And like I say, I filmed it.
Or how about the even better news that I handled it well and that nobody got hit?
No, that's good. It's like a roundabout, we go round again.
Jules and
Huh?
Where's Jules and
I didn't say that you couldn't. I'm just saying we go
You seem
round.
to have issues.
I don't have issues.
You seem to have issues.
Just wondering if anyone's clocking us going round and round in circles. They might think it's some sort of groundhog day. I think the sun's got lower anyway, the amount of times we've gone round. Did you want me to? Oh! Oh man, we just passed got a massive coat on. It's like literally one of the warmest days of the year.
Oh, sorry, you picking up someone's outfits again?
I'm not picking on their outfits, I'm just suggesting that it's quite warm to have a big old coat on.
Yeah, it was warm the other day when I had shorts on, but you seem to have a big issue with that, so you pick up one.
You won't feel the benefit. Oh, that's a pothole. There's a pothole. Say again?
Crazy.
Some of these people we keep passing for like old friends now.
People right here.
I feel like I know them. Can I tell you what is annoying?
You?
No. A spray can rolling about in the back. I thought I was talking to himself. He's got his earphones in.
Thank you for that.
Uh-oh. Turn right. See what I mean? Oh great, something there. This car is full of noises.
Yeah. One of them.
Oh, my.
Constant noise.
I might need to go to that pub.
I need a trip.
Right, so at this roundabout, when we get up there, turn left. Genuinely have no idea where this goes. I think it's a trading estate, but oh. You found the hole. Now I brought up the paint can sound. Does that do you keep hearing it? There's a plane.
Crazy.
Who'd have thunk it? I'll just keep going. Whee. Please keep your eyes on the road. Right, turn right at, this is a roundabout, I believe. So turn right round.
Clear instructions.
Well, I'm just trying to, I think you can go actually right and up that road rather than go all the way around it. And then come back on yourself. Yeah, go up that road. What's the worst that could happen?